How to harness Pinterest's no-cost traffic to launch your Amazon affiliate endeavors. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you harness Pinterest's no-cost traffic for your Amazon affiliate ventures. Understand Pinterest's audience. Pinterest is predominantly used by people looking for inspiration and ideas across various niches, including fashion, home decor, DIY projects, recipes, and more. Understand your target audience within these niches and tailor your content accordingly. Create a Pinterest business account. If you haven't already, create a Pinterest business account. This will give you access to analytics and other features that can help you track your progress and optimize your strategy. Optimize your profile. Ensure that your profile is complete and optimized for search. Use relevant keywords in your profile description and include a link to your Amazon affiliate website or blog. Create compelling pins. Pinterest is a highly visual platform, so focus on creating eye-catching and engaging pins. Use high-quality images, clear and easy-to-read text overlays, and branded graphics if applicable. Experiment with different pin formats, such as standard pins, carousel pins, and video pins, to see what resonates best with your audience. Pin consistently. Consistency is key on Pinterest. Aim to pin regularly, ideally multiple times per day. Use a scheduling tool like Tailwind to schedule pins in advance and maintain a consistent presence on the platform. Join group boards. Joining relevant group boards can help increase the reach of your pins and expose them to a larger audience. Look for group boards in your niche with active engagement and request to join them. Create SEO-friendly descriptions. Write keyword-rich descriptions for your pins to improve their visibility in Pinterest search results. Use relevant hashtags and keywords that people might use when searching for products or topics related to your affiliate offerings. Link pins to your affiliate content. When creating pins, always include a call to action and a direct link to the relevant product page on Amazon through your affiliate link. Make it as easy as possible for users to click through and make a purchase. Engage with your audience. Be active on Pinterest by engaging with other users' content, responding to comments and messages, and participating in relevant conversations. Building a genuine connection with your audience can help foster trust and loyalty over time. Track your performance. Use Pinterest analytics to track the performance of your pins and identify which ones are driving the most traffic and conversions. Use this data to refine your strategy and create more of the content that resonates with your audience. By following these steps and consistently implementing your Pinterest strategy, you can effectively harness Pinterest's no-cost traffic to drive visitors to your Amazon affiliate endeavors and increase your affiliate commissions.